What if the next big thing in smartphones isn't more cameras or more power, but how thin the phone feels in your hand? That seems to be the idea behind Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge, which has started gaining attention after several leaks surfaced online. While it's not yet official, the details coming out suggest that Samsung is preparing a sleeker, slimmer version of its next flagship lineup. And from what we're hearing, this model could grab the spotlight in a very competitive market. A reliable source known for accurate tech leaks, Even Blast, has shared what looks like the design sheet for the Galaxy S25 Edge. He previously revealed some of the promotional content too, which gives us an idea of where Samsung is headed with this device. There was even a video leak recently that showed the phone from multiple angles before it was quickly pulled down, likely because it revealed too much too early. But that short glimpse confirmed one thing: the S25 Edge has a very familiar look with a fresh twist. From the front, you wouldn't easily tell it apart from the rest of the Galaxy S25 series. It keeps the same display style and overall build, but the difference is more noticeable when you turn it around. The rear camera setup looks slightly refined, which might be Samsung's way of making the device stand out while still blending in with the rest of its flagship family. The company seems to be targeting people who care about aesthetics, so the design remains clean and modern. There's another small but clever change. Samsung is likely using the earpiece speaker to help create stereo sound, since there appears to be only one visible speaker grill. This kind of setup isn't new, but it shows Samsung is thinking about the overall user experience in subtle ways. The SIM card slot stays in the usual place at the bottom of the phone, keeping things simple and familiar. Overall, this phone isn't trying to be loud or flashy. It's about balance and feel. What's especially interesting is that the S25 Edge might launch before Apple's new slim model, the iPhone 17 Air. That puts Samsung in a position to lead the race when it comes to offering a stylish, thin premium phone. Apple is reportedly planning to replace its iPhone Plus model with the new Air version, which will also focus on slimness and design. The iPhone 17 Air is rumored to come with a new back design to set it apart from other models in the iPhone 17 range. If Samsung does release the S25 Edge first, it could grab attention from users who are tired of bulky phones but still want top-tier features. And based on leaks, this won't be a lower-end phone. In fact, it's expected to have powerful specs like 12 GBs of RAM and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, which some are calling the Snapdragon 8 Elite. It might even share the same high-quality camera system as the Galaxy S25 Ultra, meaning you won't have to compromise on performance just because you want a thinner phone. This move by Samsung feels smart. Rather than just pushing the biggest screen or most advanced hardware, they're offering a different kind of flagship, one that feels better to hold and carry. And if this phone really does include all the premium features of the Ultra model in a slimmer body, it could attract a lot of attention from users who care about both looks and speed. At the same time, Apple's rumored move with the iPhone 17 Air shows that they're thinking along similar lines. So now we might see a new kind of competition, not just about cameras or chips, but about who can make the best looking high performance phone. We'll have to wait and see which company pulls it off better. But one thing's clear: the Galaxy S25 Edge isn't just a side experiment. It's shaping up to be one of Samsung's most important releases this year. If you like this update, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next.